Hi everyone, I'm going to introduce week 6 to you. I don't know if you've taken a look at it yet or not. Of course, you have the lecture. Here is a link for the lecture. You want to make sure you go over all the information. We have the discussion. Please keep in mind that the discussion is regarding the CPT assistant. It wants you to take one of your cases from the week previous or from this week for your coding practice and use that case as a means of researching in CPT Assistant. It says select the document below for directions on how to access the CPT Assistant. So this should tell you how to access the CPT Assistant if the video I presented didn't do enough for you. It does say summarize your findings from the CPT Assistant, discuss how the information you've learned will benefit you as you continue to study medical coding, discuss how the information you've learned will benefit you when you are working as a professional medical coder, and create your own E&M case scenario so your peers can practice coding. Your discussion should encompass all of these options. I was just looking for my pointer and I'm not finding the pointer, so I'll have to go without it. For week 6, we have week 6 coding practice. These are the cases, okay? Circling them with the mouse. So if you have any questions, they're here on this first screen before you actually go into the coding practice. They are also listed on the assessment this week. For whatever reason, last week they were not listed, or I don't know if that was week 4 case. I think that was week 4 coding practice 2 that it was not listed. But these are the cases, and they are noted on each question as well. So you shouldn't have any problem finding those. If you do have questions regarding how they're coded, send me an email. I can go over that with you. We have your E&M coding scenarios here. This is an assignment that you work on. There is an instruction and then a template. So you want to make sure that you're utilizing those. If you have any questions on this assignment, please let me know. It says refer to the rubric at the end of the document to see how your work will be graded. I highly recommend that you review that grading rubric so that you have some idea how it's to be graded and what are the expectations for this assignment. And sometimes that answers some of your questions by looking at the grading rubric. So if anyone has any questions on this assignment or the assessment or the discussion, please let me know. And I hope you all have a great week. Thank you for paying attention to this video, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.